In this video, we're going to cover the product type migrator tool. If you're on the home page of Datify, you scroll down, you'll see the product type migrator. You can open it. And when you're done setting up your product types for migration, you want this first bucket here of product types with no migrations to have no entries. What you want to do is take everything from the no migrations to the product types to not migrate bucket, or the product types with save migration bucket. Now you can see here I've only got two left, so let's cover them. For the CPU product type, I'm going to choose to not migrate that. That is not a category that's in the Shopify product taxonomy. So I'm just going to say no migration needed. And you'll see that CPU moved from the product types with no migration bucket into the product types to not migrate bucket. Now I have one product type left, and that is heating. And I'm going to click on Start Migration because I do want to create a migration for this one. And it actually evaluates your whole product catalog and sees that there's 9 products with this type set. And if you want to look at them and see what kind of products they are, to remember, why you have the product type set, so you can figure out what category to set them to. You can see here the products, and you can see I already have product categories set for them, but in this, let's pretend we don't have that done here, and we need to have that work done for us. So here, I'm going to migrate to a category. I'm going to select my category, and I can type in some words. I'm just going to type in reptile because the store is about reptile supplies. And I can see here habitat, heating, and lighting. So that's what this heating product type means in this store. So I select that, I say done, and now I can save that. So when I go ahead and migrate the category, it'll set the product category for all these products to the one we just selected. Now, when you're working in a small catalog, manually setting up a product type migration works fairly well. And most product types are going to be migrated to a product category. But you also have the ability to migrate them to a meta field if that's appropriate for your product taxonomy. We find with small catalogs, the product type migrator works well. With large catalogs, it's usually better to go into the bulk assign category tool and let AI take over and evaluate each product one by one and determine the best node in the product collections from Shopify, or product categories from Shopify, because there's over 10,000 of them. So sometimes, with small catalogs, you can use the product type migrator, but we recommend with large catalogs, you just go to the bulk assign categories tool and let AI evaluate all your product data and come up with the best category out of the 10,000 options for each and every product in your catalog. Thanks for watching.